Meaning of designated hitter.
Designated hitter.
Designated hitter.
Designated hitter.
Designated hitter. In baseball, a designated hitter, DH, is a player who bats in place of the pitcher. The DH does not play a position on defense and only bats. The DH rule was first introduced in the American League in 1973 to improve offensive performance and increase fan interest by eliminating the need for pitchers to bat. The DH has become a controversial topic, with some fans and analysts arguing that it takes away from the strategy and tradition of the game, while others see it as a necessary evolution to keep pace with changing trends in the sport.